Hello everyone, my name is Brenda and today, I'm going to share a funny story that happened to me recently. It's about a big mix-up at the bakery. So, let's get started. One day, I decided to visit the local bakery to buy some treats. I made a list. A loaf of bread, some pastries, and a cake for my friend's birthday. With my list in hand, I headed out to the bakery. When I arrived at the bakery, it was quite busy. I saw a long queue but decided to wait patiently. The smell of fresh bread and pastries was irresistible. Finally, it was my turn. I asked the baker, "Can I have a loaf of bread, please?" The baker smiled and handed me a beautifully baked loaf. "Next," I said, "I'd like a dozen pastries." Then, I asked, "Can I have a birthday cake?" The baker looked confused for a moment but then smiled and said, "Of course, which one would you like?" This is where things got tricky. I tried to explain that I wanted a cake with a birthday message on it. I said, "Can you write 'Happy Birthday' on the cake?" The baker nodded and went to the back to prepare it. When the baker came back, he had a big smile on his face and presented the cake to me. I looked at it and couldn't believe my eyes. Instead of "Happy Birthday," the cake said, "Happy Birthday." I couldn't help but laugh. The baker looked puzzled, so I explained the mix-up. He quickly apologized and corrected the message. We both laughed about it, and I got a discount for the mistake. So, I learned that sometimes mistakes happen, and it's important to laugh and make the best of them. It's also crucial to be clear when communicating, especially in a foreign language. In the end, my friend loved the cake and the story behind it. Thanks for listening to my story. Goodbye. Learn English with academies24.com.